Have a unique shaped room that you would love to have Warmly Yours electric floor heating in, yet you can't imagine how to get the measurements or the floor plan in place? We're here to help. Capturing perfect measurements of the room is the first step in creating an accurate floor plan, and you don't have to do it all alone. Once we have the measurements, Warmly Yours will provide a smart installation plan that will keep the project running smoothly and installation error-free. Call us toll-free. We'll be happy to walk you through the process. The Custom Fit mat comes in one easy-to-install piece, customized to fit your room perfectly. After receiving your plan and Custom Fit mat, installation will be a breeze. Simply follow the SMART plan, find the thermostat location, and lay out the mat. It's that easy. Warmly Yours Custom Fit mat heating systems are backed by our 25-year, no-nonsense warranty and Warmly Yours highly recognized lifetime 24/7 technical support. Warmly Yours Radiant Heating, the smart choice.